Have you ever said, just 5 minutes on Instagram, and suddenly it's 3 hours later? Bro, we've all been there. In 2025, social media is not just entertainment, it's an addiction. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to break free step by step without deleting your apps. First, understand this. Social media is designed to keep you addicted. Every like, every reel, every comment gives your brain a dopamine hit. That's the feel-good chemical. It's just like junk food, tasty, but unhealthy if you eat too much. Social media is junk food for your mind. They want your time, your attention. That's how they make money. So you have to be smarter than the app. Open your phone settings, go to screen time or digital well-being. Look at how many hours you're spending every day on TikTok, Insta, YouTube. 6 hours. 7 hours. That's almost a full-time job. Start small. Try to reduce 30 minutes a week. Track your progress. Slowly, you'll feel more in control. Deleting apps won't help if you're bored all the time. Instead of scrolling reels, try doing something else. Read a page of a book. Watch a useful video. Go for a walk. Listen to music without your phone in your hand. Don't give up dopamine. Just get it from better things. Look, I'm not saying quit social media forever. That's not realistic in 2025. But set a time. Like, I use Instagram only from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Not randomly all day. Use a timer or app blocker. Even your phone has built-in limits. Set it and stick to it. Out of sight, out of mind. If you see the app, you'll click it. So here is the hack. Remove Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok from your home screen. Keep them in a folder on the last page. Turn off notifications. Use a simple wallpaper. Your phone should help you, not control you. Followers and likes are cool, but they can't replace real connection. Go meet your friend. Talk to your cousin. Call your parents. Go outside and touch some grass. Social media is fake connection. Real life is where the magic happens. Okay, this one's powerful. Pick one app, like TikTok or Instagram, and delete it for just 7 days. Journal how you feel each day. You'll notice something amazing. Better sleep, more focus, less stress, and more time to do what you love. Most people won't do it. But if you do, you'll feel like a winner. Breaking social media addiction doesn't mean living in a cave. It means taking your power back. Use social media. Don't let it use you. Start with one step today. Comment, I'm in, if you're ready for the challenge. I'm replying to every single one. If this video helped you, like it, share with your best friend, and subscribe for more real content. No fake motivation, only honest truth. You've got this. Break the scroll and build your life.